Welcome to Modular Hippo. This is a quick thank you video to all the subscribers. We have hit 2,000 subscribers, which I didn't think would ever happen in my wildest dreams. It's a big thank you to all the ones that keep checking in video after video with great ideas, great feedback, and just general support and encouragement. Thank you so much, because without you guys, this wouldn't be half the experience as it's been so far. Up to this point, we have done most of the keel box, the keel itself, the rudders, a lot of the electronical components, and a lot of other small parts. And I guess we'll just keep going until we have a boat. I will be taking 3 weeks off with my family because I've heavily neglected them over the last 2 years. So I've pre-recorded some videos that I will be releasing every Friday in my absence, just to keep the channel going. I will still check the comments, feel free to check in, and we'll pick this up again in 3 weeks time with the creation of some new parts. Might as well chuck a question in there as well. If there is something that you want to see more of, or something that you want to see less of, feel free to stick that in the comments as well, and I'll take that on board. Thanks again. I'm really grateful, and I hope to see you soon. Take care, guys.